Hello, I'm going to make something today. I was gonna do like muffins, but then I decided I don't really want to do muffins, and just because I don't feel like lining the muffin cups, the cupcake pan. And Saturday for 2 weeks, we're going on actually 12 nights. We're going on a 12-night backpacking trip, and so I wanted to, actually the backpacking trip is about 96 miles, and it's, it'll be like 7 nights or 8 nights, depending on how ambitious we feel. So, yeah, so I'm gonna make something and I'll show the ingredients, but I think this is gonna be the star ingredient, which is key lime pie Chobani, that's 0 sugar. And I had a box of this in there. This is that cheesecake. Okay, so to start with, I'm gonna go ahead and use up all the cottage cheese. This is 16 ounces. Oh, I melted butter this time. This is a new ingredient. This is real butter. It was like 1/4 of a stick. Key lime in there. And the other key lime. Can you tell I'm trying to do this quick today? Monk fruit, 1, 2. Is really doing a number on getting thick. So we have to put some almond milk in. Not too much almond milk because we know what happens when we do that. So I'm just gonna put in like 1/3 of a cup to start. That's really probably all I'm gonna need, because almond milk really thins out the recipe. And I don't want to do that again. Okay, turning it on and it gets really freaking loud. All right, so it became super thin. Let's just grab it, show you what happened. I freaking love the Vitamix. If you don't have, or what, I think Ninja is one also. Oh, this is parchment paper with just on a pan. Look at that. So this is more like an eggy thing. I didn't want to put any more, almond flour in. But remember I put that 1/3 of a cup of almond milk in because of the instant pudding. But this is okay, because the truth is it's cool if it turns into just like this thin, kind of fun little key lime cheesecake, kind of brownie-ish type thing. It seems like 350 always works. And this one's really liquidy, so be careful. I forgot to add the semi-sweet chocolate chips. So we're just gonna throw, you think you're getting chocolate chips, you're not. It can't happen. All right, let's throw some of these on top. Freaking OCD. I feel like I didn't get the chips in the right order there, but oh well. This is 15 minutes. Definitely not ready. Very, still. This is after 20 minutes. And I did just open the door right before this and turn it around because it browns more on the closer inside the oven. This is so funny, but this turned out to be really good. I mean, it's kind of funny, but it's really pretty good. It's still pretty hot because I took it out about 5 minutes ago. I wound up cooking it for 20 minutes, and then I put it back in for I didn't take it out. I just turned the pan around for about 5 to 6 more minutes. So in total, it took about, actually it was probably about 28 minutes in total, and it's pretty thin, you'll see. But it turned out, it's like a cheesecakey. The lime is not real prevalent. The lime yogurt just kind of gave it this like little, I don't know, it just gave it like a little something. But the cheesecake instant pudding really did give it this kind of like cheesecake flavor. So it's like this, it is kind of like a really light, mild lime cheesecake, but it's really good. And the chocolate chips, definite a must. They really helped with it. It's like this custardy cheesecake type thing. You can kind of see here, a custardy cheesecake little thing, and pretty thin. You can see here it's pretty. Let me see if I'll pick up a bigger piece. So you can see it's pretty thin, but yeah, there you go, a little thinner. But it is very good, and the cheesecake instant pudding matched with or paired with the cottage cheese, and then no mozzarella cheese made a huge difference. So lesson learned. I like mozzarella cheese and stuff, but it's definitely going to be like more of a savory, not a sweet thing. Although I know you can make cinnamon rolls and all that kind of stuff like keto style out of it, but this turned out great. I really like it. I'll definitely be making this again. I totally made it up. I didn't even use chat for help on this one, so I'm gonna go write it down right after I eat this. This was winner.